In JavaScript, the OR operator is a Boolean operator. Let's give ourselves two Booleans, b1 and b2, that will both start as true. So let b1 equals true and let b2 equals true. The OR operator is represented with a double vertical bar. Let's print out the OR operation between b1 and b2. So console.log b1 vertical bar b2. If we run this code, you'll see that results in true. Let's change b1 to false and see what happens. If we run this code, you'll see that results in true. Let's flip the order to see if that makes a difference. If we run this code, you'll see that results in true as well. Finally, let's make them both false. Running this code, you will see that results in false. In JavaScript, OR only results in false when both operands are false. This has been Jakubication. Like and subscribe to learn more.